Question number 7 on incomplete records. From the following particulars of Mr. X, a certain profit for the year ended 31/3/2015. Date is important, 31/3/2015. So now two columns here. One balances is given on 1/4/2014, means this will be for your opening statement of affairs, and one is on 31/3/2015, that will be for your closing statement of affairs. So before reading the additional information only, you have to put the figures directly in the statement of affairs without any change, because additional information is for your adjustments. So start directly plotting the figures given in your statement of affairs. This is not balance sheet, mind you, it is statement of affairs, because it is single entry and incomplete information is given. So you should not write on top here statement balance sheet. It should be statement of affairs and not balance sheet. So let's start. First is your building, 20,000 and 20,000. So in assert side, building, $20,000 is given and 20,000 is given. Now one important point, note here, sometimes in additional points depreciation is given. So don't try and subtract depreciation in the closing years column, because I have said already that whatever is given here, we have to copy it as it is for statement of affairs, and don't try and do the adjustment. For example, look here, provide depreciation on building at the rate 5%. So somebody will think that 20,000 into 5%, 20,000 minus 1,000 is 19,000. I should put here 19,000, but this is not correct. No adjustment effect, no additional information effect is to be given in the closing year. हमको additional information का कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं देना है स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स में, एज इट इज उसको कॉपी करते चलो जो भी लिखा हुआ है. स्टॉक 6,000 एंड 16,000. स्टॉक क्या गुड्स है हमारे पास, 6,000 वैल्यू के एंड 16,000 वैल्यू के. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज योर क्रेडिटर्स. क्रेडिटर्स विल कम इन लायबिलिटी साइड. क्रेडिटर्स, how much, 5,000, 4,600. So 5,000, 4,600 creditors भी हो गया. Then you have debtors, debtors or book debts. How much, 15,000 and 17,000. 15,000 and 17,000. Okay. Now bank overdraft is given here. Okay, bank overdraft is your liability. जितना बैंक में पैसा है उससे ज़्यादा निकाल चुके हो, वापस रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा. बैंक overdraft is your liability. 2,000 and 2,500. 2,000 and 2,500. Okay. Now cash. So cash is again your assert. Your current assert, 1,000 for your opening balance sheet or opening statement of affairs, 500 is here. Now what is missing? तुरंत ध्यान जाना चाहिए कि कैपिटल बैलेंसिंग फिगर होगा. स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स बनाए इसलिए रहे हैं क्योंकि हमको कैपिटल बैलेंसिंग फिगर चाहिए. ओके, सो टोटल करिए. 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 15,000 plus 1,000 comes to 42,000. Here the total will be 42,000 minus 5 plus 2, 7,000 comes up to 35,000. So capital is your balancing figure, 35,000. Again, total of 20,000, 16,000, 17,000 and 500 is 53,500. 53,500. Here also total 53,500 minus 4,600 minus 2,500 comes up to 46,400. 46,400. Now this is your closing capital and this is your opening capital, which will be required. Just after you find out this capital account, we have to make capital account 5 items. First item, opening balance. So by balance brought down, how much is opening capital? It is 35,000. Immediately closing capital लिख दो. So immediately to balance carried down, कितना आया था हमने कैलकुलेट किया 46,400. So 46,400 इमीडिएटली ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग हमारा कैपिटल हो चुका है. 2 आइटम हम लिख चुके हैं. नाउ रीड द एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन, क्योंकि 5 आइटम्स में से एक आइटम हमारा होता है ड्रॉइंग. ड्रॉइंग ओपनिंग कैपिटल को कम करेगा, इसलिए 2 ड्रॉइंग्स यहां आएगा. कोई एडिशनल कैपिटल होगी तो वो यहां आएगा बाय बैंक एडिशनल कैपिटल, और जो बैलेंसिंग फिगर होगा वो नेट प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाएगा. सो बाय नेट प्रॉफिट बैलेंसिंग फिगर. इसके अलावा कोई 6th आइटम कैपिटल अकाउंट में सिंगल एंट्री के क्वेश्चन में आता ही नहीं है. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, यू शुड नोट दिस. सो नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर एडजस्टमेंट निकालने के लिए हम आगे काम करते हैं. रीड द एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन. प्रोवाइड इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एंड charge interest on drawings at the rate 10%. Now, is this point related to your capital account? 5 items के अलावा कुछ आता ही नहीं है. Just mark it कि बाद में इसको नेट प्रॉफिट एडजस्टमेंट से पहले मिलेगा, उसके बाद हम एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग. वी डोंट हैव टू डू दिस एडजस्टमेंट हियर in capital account because it is not covered in the 5 items here. Okay. Additional capital introduced on 1/10/2014 was 10,000. Now the date is important. 1/10/2014. कब इंट्रोड्यूस किया एडिशनल कैपिटल? 6 months हुए तभी एडिशनल कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ. सो एक बार अमाउंट लो. ये डेट कहाँ काम आएगी हमको? टू कैलकुलेट योर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल वी विल नीड दिस डेट. सो जस्ट मार्क इट. फॉर नाउ व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज योर एडिशनल कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इज 10,000. नाउ प्रोसीड. Drawings during the year amounted to 500 per month. So 500 per month is your drawing. 500 into 12 is 6,000 is your drawings. Now, when nothing is given, again important point, when nothing is given, you should assume that drawings is made in the middle of every month throughout the year. Interest is calculated on the average of 6 months. When nothing is given, middle of every month, so in middle of every month, so 6 months का interest लगेगा, which will again be used in this first point, interest on drawings. So right now only the amount is important. So we have written here, we have done this adjustment. Drawing during the year amounted to 500. 500 into 12, 6,000 is your drawing ka amount. So just take the total now. The total of 46,400 plus 6,000 comes to 52,400. 52,400 is your total. 52,400 is your total, and 52,400 minus 35,000 minus 10,000 comes to 7,400, and 7,400 is your net profit before your adjustments given. So let's start with your profit and loss statement. Now, profit and loss statement, as now we have practiced so many questions, so we know first of all closing capital will come. Closing capital, or it is called as capital as on so and so date. Here it is capital as on 31/3/15, and we got the amount of after we had plotted this. See, 46,400 statement of affairs, and 35,000 is your opening capital. So closing 46,400 and 35,000 is your opening, that you have to mention here. Closing capital 46,400, and your opening capital is also given, but here our formula is add less. Add का D उठा लो, D से ड्रॉइंग्स ले लो. ड्रॉइंग्स वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड कि जो ड्रॉइंग्स है वो 6,000 आ रहा है, तो एड ड्रॉइंग्स 6,000, दैट कम्स टू 52,400. नाउ लेस एडिशनल कैपिटल, ऐड का पूरा ऐड उठा के नीचे लेकर आओ, और ऐड से याद रखो एडिशनल कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, that we had calculated 10,000. Actually it is given here additional capital introduced, and we have also put it in the above working. Additional capital is 10,000. So let's करो यहाँ से 10,000 is your additional capital, and again less, what less opening capital or capital as on 1/4/14. कितना है opening capital? We had calculated it 35,000. देखो ऊपर, आप यहाँ से आपके कैपिटल अकाउंट में देखो, ओपनिंग कैपिटल 35,000, क्लोजिंग कैपिटल 46,400, then your additional capital, then your drawings. Okay, so just the same thing is coming here, 35,000, and then what you get, 7,400. 7,400 is net profit before adjustments, your net profit before adjustments. अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एडजस्टमेंट के साथ. हमारे पास एडजस्टमेंट्स हैं काफ़ी सारे, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स. सो फर्स्ट हम लेते हैं इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स का पॉइंट. ध्यान रखो, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है क्या? कोई भी पार्टनर या कोई भी प्रोप्राइटर कैपिटल लेके आता है और वो कैपिटल पे बिजनेस को उसको इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ता है. सो दैट इज योर एक्सपेंस ऑफ बिजनेस. जब एक्सपेंस ऑफ बिजनेस है तो नेट प्रॉफिट को वो कम करेगा. सो नेट प्रॉफिट में लेस करो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. Now see, interest on capital, your opening capital was 35,000, right? And it has said that interest on capital and interest on drawing is 10%. So 35,000 का 10% plus what? Additional capital भी तो लाया था, तो additional capital 10,000 पे भी तो उसको interest देना पड़ेगा. So 10,000 into 10%. Into what? We are assuming that he brought the capital in the middle of the month because it is written that it is got on 1/10/2014. So only 6 months का interest दिया जाएगा into 6/12. So the total comes to 4,000. So you are subtracting this interest on capital. Now interest on drawings. Drawings, the proprietor is withdrawing some amount from the business and the business is charging interest on it. So it will be income for the business. So income has to be added as my net profit will increase. So add interest on drawings. कितना है interest on drawings? Drawings is given, it is 500 into 12, 6,000. 6,000 का 10%, and we are assuming it in the middle of the every month, so 6/12. So this comes up to 300. 300 you have to add, okay? And now 7,400 minus 4,000 add 300 comes to 3,700. Now we have some additional points. Provide depreciation on building at the rate 5%, which we had not touched while making capital account. अब उसको देखो. Depreciation is charge on asset. हमारा net profit ultimately कम होता है. So less depreciation. कितना था building कितना था? Building was 20,000. So depreciation 20,000 का 5%. That is 1,000. So 1,000 you have to reduce here. And then one more adjustment is left. Provide for outstanding rent ₹300. Provision बनाना है. Provision बनाएंगे, net profit will reduce. So less. What less? Outstanding rent का provision. So provision for outstanding rent. Rent is outstanding. We will have to pay. We are making provision right now. That will ultimately decrease your net profit. So less provision for outstanding rent. How much? 300. So less 300. And what do we get here? 3,700 minus 1,000 minus 300 is 2,400. So 2,400 is your net profit for the year. So net profit for the year is 2,400. Now just recap that once you get your net profit before adjustment, see if it is interest on capital, you have to less interest on capital because business will have to pay interest to the owner and interest on capital is expense, so less it. Now that what about your interest on drawings? That is income to the business. So add that amount. What about depreciation? Depreciation is charge. So less that amount. Any provision you are making for whatsoever thing, maybe rent or anything else, salary or whatever, any provision you are making or you are providing for anything that you have to pay, then that will ultimately reduce your net profit. So less. And then after doing all the adjustment, you will get net profit for the year. We will do further more questions on adjustment and slowly you will get all the concepts clear.